Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by updating Messenger and confirming you're signed into the correct account. This ensures the app can request media from Facebook servers. Once done, free at least 200 megabytes and grant storage and media permissions so downloads can complete. Next, open the exact conversation that contained the missing media and keep the chat visible. Do not background the app. This initiates the app's retrieval routines. If you skip these steps, the app may not re-download items, so make sure each prerequisite is satisfied. Now you'll force the app to fetch attachments. Tap the chat header and choose View Photos and Videos to trigger thumbnail refresh. If previews still fail, toggle airplane mode on then off to reset connections and prompt re-requests. Make sure to clear Messenger's cache in system settings, not app data, because cache clearing removes temp files but keeps messages. After clearing, restart the app and revisit the conversation. These actions compel the app to download missing files from the server, rather than relying on finish by checking whether the sender still has the original media. If the server copy was purged, ask them to resend the file, which is the only guaranteed way to restore lost media. You can also open Facebook's web messages or Messenger. Com to see if the media appears there. That sometimes bypasses mobile sync issues. If downloads still fail, verify the sender's privacy settings and that messages weren't deleted. If problems persist, request the file via email or cloud link as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.